Welcome back, everyone. We're going to hop into the Tasks page here and take a look at how that works. How the tasks in your email can integrate seamlessly with Donor Engine. So, I'm going to begin by creating a task. Let's click Add Task here, and I'll just punch in some details. We'll go ahead and set a due date. And then we'll assign a supporter. When we do that, if you look at the search bar, you'll see you can start typing, and it will generate a smart list that will narrow down as you type until you can see the supporter you're looking for. We could also choose to assign the task to another staff member, and it will show up in their task list. Or you can just leave it blank, and it will automatically be assigned to you. When done, we'll click Submit to create that task. Now, I'm going to hop over to our calendar here. Refresh it, and we can see that task appear automatically on my Google Calendar. Very easy. So now, I'm going to go ahead and do it the other way around and create a task inside my calendar. We'll give it a name and some details, then save it. Once we've done that, we'll head back to the task page in Donor Engine. Refresh it, and we'll see that task we just created in the calendar has automatically been synced to my tasks list in Donor Engine. Couldn't be smoother. So, now that we have a few tasks here, let's complete them. I'll open up the donor record, and then I'll click Complete. When we do that, you'll notice we can optionally add a note about it, and that will automatically get added to the constituents timeline. So we'll add one here. And we'll also complete the second task. But we're not going to bother with a note on that one. Let's refresh and hop back over to our calendar here. And since we've marked those tasks as complete, they'll disappear from the calendar. Everything is synced and easily tracked. So that's the task system. But before we go, I also want to take a quick look at email integration as well. Here is an email I've sent to myself from a different address that matches a donor record in the system. When we open the email, you'll see we have a unique sidebar here that interacts with Donor Engine and gives us the constituents information. I can click Add Note here, and it will open a pop-up that will let us type in a note for that user related to this email. We can even click the checkbox up here to include the entire email along with a note so we can reference the conversation later. So I'll just add in some text here. And click Save. Then we can respond to the email itself, let the donor know their issue is being taken care of, and send. So now, if we go to donor records in Donor Engine, we can hop into the timeline and see that an entry on their timeline was automatically created by that email. We can see that the entry has the email text in there and the note that we created. Very easy to work with, super intuitive. That's going to be it for now, but I'll be jumping into the Supporters page in the next video. We'll be looking at the Supporters tab, showing you what it tracks and all the different things that it does. If you want to go to the next video, just click the link below. If you want to talk more about Donor Engine and what it can do, we can schedule a consultation. Just fill out the form below. Thanks.